In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a full background image to Squarespace, including the header and footer. Start by opening your Squarespace site and heading into your website editor. Once you're on the page you want to style, click into a section where you want the background to appear. In the editor, choose Image. Then open Edit section so you can change how that section looks. In the section settings, go to Background and select Image as the background type. By default, many sections are set to inset, which keeps your content boxed in with margins. For a full edge-to-edge look, switch the layout from inset to full bleed. This is the key that lets your background stretch across the entire width. We'll repeat this for other areas so the effect feels seamless across the header, the main content, and the footer. Now, add your background. Click Add an image. If you already have a file ready, you can upload it. If you'd rather use a built-in option, click Browse Stock Images to search the free library. Pick an image that's high resolution and wide enough for desktop screens. Landscape orientation works best. Click to highlight the one you want, preview it, and then choose Add Image to place it. If you see a second confirmation for Add Image, click it again to finalize. You should now see your section update with the new background. If you want to try a different picture, click Image again to replace or adjust as needed. A quick tip: choose images with enough negative space so your text stays readable. Busy photos can look great, but make sure your headings and buttons still stand out. If something looks too heavy, consider choosing a lighter or darker image to improve contrast with your site's text color. To carry this look across your entire page, repeat the same process for other sections. Click into each section, set the background to image, switch from inset to full bleed, and add your image. Do this for the header section and the footer section as well, so the design feels consistent from top to bottom. If you're mixing images across sections, aim for a cohesive style. Similar tones or textures go a long way. When everything looks right,